Howdy folks, Benedetto here with another large update coverage video for all of you with the Dakota Riverbend Spring Update version 0.9.5. Let's dive in, shall we? First off, let's start with this update's housing section. There is now another source of living to arrive here to the Dakota Riverbend for you as a player to choose from. Instant housing, instant apartments, rentable rooms, the ability to fully customize and group features. Make sure to check out our video on custom camping as well. Links will be in the description below. Now, let's get into some of the finer details of instant housing, apartments, and even rentable rooms. First off, for apartments and properties, to start the process of buying or even previewing, you're going to want to head over to the town clerk's office identified on your player map with the same icon as the job board. Note, typically the job board and the town clerk's office will be in close proximity. Once here and at the clerk's office, open the menu and select See Available Houses under the Instant Housing tab. After this, you should see an icon on your map identifying all the properties and apartments for roughly 30 real-world seconds. After you have the map icons on your map and you have decided on a location you are interested in, set out to that location. Once there, head up to the main door and a prompt should pop up in the bottom right hand portion of your screen. After clicking the requested hotkey, a menu of options including buy, preview, guest list, and even knock on an already existing property owner's door. Now, one thing to note is the actual price of the property will be identified in the bottom portion of said menu. Once purchased, feel free to head inside and check out the new owned player property. Once a apartment or housing property has been purchased, much like in our last two videos covering the camping system, links will be down below. Property customizing and upgrading is a breeze. With full keyboard / mouse and controller support, quick clicks or long press drags, pre-combine layouts, individual sets, customizing has never been more in control of the player than ever before. Likewise, much like the camping system, there are shareable upgrades that are available as well. When going to remove items though, one thing to note is this. Most items placed out of a set will be under Property Items in your Property Manager menu. However, to remove an interior decor pre-combine, you will need to head back over to Buy Upgrades. Once here, click on Property Interiors. At the bottom of the menu that has just loaded, where you as a player have originally purchased your pre-combined interior, you should see Remove Interior. After clicking it, will ask you to type confirm. Then your interior decor has been removed. Note as well, anytime you delete an item or pre-combine, you as a player will need to purchase again. Looking to move or give up your property completely? Not a problem here in the Dakota Riverbend. Just head back over to the town clerk's office. Once at the town clerk's menu, click on Housing. Once in the Housing tab, select Property. Another tab will open up listing all the properties you may own. Once in the property that you are trying to sell is selected, go through a series of confirmations to confirm your sale. You have successfully sold your property once you as a player get a notification in the top left-hand corner of your screen signifying the amount that you made. Rentable rooms can commonly be found amongst hotels and other acclamations across the territory. Just go through the menu when arriving at the door and type how many real-world days you as a player would like to rent for. The public and private markets have gotten a total overhaul, with a owner or worker having more access, capabilities, and management than ever before. Let's dive into some of the details of this together. For starters, you as a player are going to want to head over to the town clerk's office, signified on your map with the job board icon. Once here at the clerk's office, head up to the counter and select the prompt in the bottom right portion of your screen. A menu should pop up with a list of options the town clerk can provide. Select Market in this menu, then select File Market Application. You as a player should receive a message in the top left-hand corner of your screen stating your Market console commands. Now that you have access to the commands, set out to your character's desired location and set up shop. Once at the desired location, press T on the keyboard to bring up your RedM in-game console, then type /market_permit. A menu will pop up with the option to place down new market. This menu will bring up a message alert if unable to place down market. Note, much like the camp system, your market cannot be too close to roads, in towns, etc. After your market has been placed down, it's always a healthy idea to use the /load_market command every so often for optimized experience. Type this command and you should now see a world place circle on the ground and a prompt in the bottom right of your screen when you approach close to the place down location. Likewise, after placing, there should be a world map icon that now appears on the in-game map. In setting up your own market using the steps here in this video, you probably noticed you had to pick what type of player-ran store you wanted to operate. Well, this can be changed at any point with this new system, along with a wide variety of things for you and workers. Let's go over some of this menu together. Yes, now there is a much more optimized and controller-friendly way to add and remove inventory of your shop like a breeze. Just click on either tab to do said option. Also note that if you change up your shop while you still have inventory in that shop, that said inventory will be stored safely till the shop's category is changed back to what matches the store's inventory. The store cash box is a unique feature to track what your store is actually bringing in. Instead of the traditional method of right to the owner's bank account, this will allow a store owner to pull out said funds to pay their workers, run to the bank, etc. New Dakota has now at last a functioning system where you as a player can hire, fire, and view your official player workers. Much like the camp member system, your next potential employee just has to be in close proximity to the shop owner while they're in the menu. The store owner, upon selecting add worker in the market owner menu, will now see the individual they're trying to hire name and able to select said person. Once successfully hired, the employee will now have access to said market's storage, ledger, and the ability to view the cash box. At any time, a market owner can view/edit their employees under the View Market tab. Your market storage, much like the camping systems again, will be accessible to the owner and the employees. Taking things in and out, add to the market, craft items, pass along things amongst your ranks, the possibilities are truly endless. The ledger system, much like traditional methods, is just a telegram-like system letting you as a player know what is going on with your market. Condensed in its own tab, the system is neat and easy to use. At any point, a player can temporarily open or close their shop for a variety of reasons. Leaving territory for a while, only want to open a shop when you're online, just use the open/close tab in your market permit menu. Likewise, you can also permanently close your shop at any time using the delete market tab. Be aware though, once deleting a shop permanently, you will need to head back to the town clerk's office for another market permit. Also, after 7 real-world days, your market will be closed. No worries though, head back over to the town clerk's office. Once here at the ND Gov Services menu, click the Market tab. Then pay market fine to see the amount needed to reopen. New Dakota has gotten a total overhaul of its clothing menus at the tailor's office across the land. Not only a new sleek fresh UI, but fully controller compatible. Likewise, note that all individual articles of clothing have their own unique pricing now and will always be free once purchased for any outfit you as a player may create. I know there's quite a bit here in this update we've just covered. New Dakota has gotten quite a bit of changes, and if you are interested in a more detailed look, check out the official patch notes in DRB Studios. Links will be in the description below. I hope this was helpful to anyone and everyone that has been or interested in the Dakota Riverbend casual RP server over on the RedM platform. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more update coverage, educational content, and so much more related to the DRB directly. Stay safe out there, be kind, and remember, have fun.